Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So open your favorite browser and type here MySQL Bench. From here, click on Downloads. So from click here on Go to Downloads page, and so from here, download the Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer and click on here. Okay, so it will install 32 and 64-bit, both of them. So you can also shift the versions from here, which one you want to install. So I'll go with 8.0.34. So I'll start downloading from here. Now just start download. So it will start the download. So the size of the file is around 331 MB, so it will take some time. So for the time saving purpose, I will download the file setup. So I'll just cancel this and open the already downloaded file. So after that, you have to just run the setup. So from here, your smart screen cannot be reached right now. Check your internet connection, Microsoft Defender, and from here you have okay. So click on run. So the installation process is starting. So it will take a little time. No, do you want to allow this app to changes to your device? Yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. So I want to install full MySQL Server, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, and all of them. So I'll go with full. So if you want to install custom, you can just choose custom and go with that. So I'll go with full. Click on next. So it will install all of these. So it's saying the following products will be installed: MySQL Server, MySQL Bench, MySQL Share, MySQL Router, MySQL Documentation, and MySQL sample examples. Okay, I'm okay with them, and click on execute. So it will install all of them one by one. So it will take a little time. So all of these steps are uh, done now. You can see tick marked on all of them. So click on next. So it will take us to now configuration process. Click on next. So the specified port is already in use. So we will go with 338. So if uh, your 336 is free, you don't need to change that. So in my case, it's in use. So that's why I have just changed to 338. So it's a development computer, so I'll go with that, and all is fine. Next, so I'll go with the default. So the root password. So I just set 1 to 8 for now. You can set according to your own what you need. So and the default user is admin. So next. So I'll go with the same service name and standard account and next. Yes, grant full access. Click on next. One back. Okay, next. So it will apply our configurations all out to that. So execute. So it will apply all of them one by one. So click on finish. Next. So click on finish. Next. Root n 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Check. Connection success. And next. And click on execute. Finish. Next. Okay, finish. So MySQL shell is open here. So let's close it and open it from command prompt. MySQL, type here MySQL. So we didn't set our environment variables. So first go to C drive, program files, MySQL, MySQL. So for path, we have to set environment variables. Go to program files, MySQL, and from here MySQL Server, bin, and copy path from here. Then on search bar, type here environment variables. So click on environment variables from here, system variables, and into this path. Click on it, double click, and from here, click on new and add this to it. Okay, okay, and click on okay. So open here command prompt and type here MySQL dash dash version. So we can see we have MySQL version 8.0.34, the latest one we have installed right now. So we'll log into MySQL using MySQL dash u or username root and dash p. So our password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Click on enter. So uh, enter the wrong password. So we have entered to MySQL. So let's try to check all databases we have right now. Show data BSES and this and semicolon. So it will show all the databases I have existing in my system. So let's try to create a new database. Create database. So it will create a new database with the name of allroundzone. Let's try to check the databases again. Show databases. So let's try to find out. So you can see here. database already exists. Your databases. So it will show all the databases I have right now in my system. You can see here all-round zone we have created right now. So let's try to check my SQL bench. So it's just a UI for the MySQL server. So yes, you just need to enter your username and passwords. So you will log into that, and you can view all of your databases and all of the details from here. So good luck, guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, and like the video.